everyone, welcome to the caret-it-solutions Private Limited. I am Mayuri Baradwa and today I am going to talk about how to inherit menu item in Odoo. So let's start. This is the employees module and I want to change this main menu's name from employees to HR. So for that I have to inherit its menu item in a view. So in a HR view, this is the base menu item and we have to simply redefine in our custom module. So I will redefine in my custom module. I have to give its module's name before ID, employees to HR because I want to change its name. And before group, we have to also give its module name because it is from HR group. So simply redefine it and override the menu item. So upgrade module. And refreshing it. So we can see here we have changed the name of main menu employees to HR. So this is how we can inherit or override menu item in a view. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share the video.